This can significantly save you time when it comes to creating your resume. And when you think about resume, I'll share a secret with you guys. When you think about resume, what is a resume? There are specific sections within a resume. You have your personal information section. You have your professional summary section. You have your skills. So professional summary could be the same as, career achievements, however you want to put it. You have your skills, you have your work experience, you have your education and qualification. And then for those that want to include volunteering experience, you can put that in as well. So those are the sections of your resume. Now, the key is ChatGPT, for whatever role, for whatever tech role you're aspiring to secure, can help you create all of those at the same time or one after the other. It can even give you multiple options such that you can now choose which one best reflects your situation. And there are specific prompts to do that. So this first one is based on the job description. So here you're actually inputting a job description from a company and you're requesting ChatGPT to create a resume that aligns with that job description. We're going to see it in a second. Same for this one where you're creating resume based on a job and company, but this one you're making specific requests and you're asking ChatGPT to include bullet point achievements that show impact and metrics. So this is where you want to say you delivered something that improved the bottom line by 20%, and you'll be surprised at what you get. So this is the prompt for creating a resume. And basically it says, based on this job description for a title role at a company. So I'm just going to quickly go into Indeed. We've used business analysis as an example. So now let's transition into project management. So we're going to look for a role, a project manager role. And this time, let's go to New Brunswick. And by the way, New Brunswick is province in Canada. And let's find project manager role, or maybe even a senior project manager role. Okay. Now this is all live. I'm not making any of this up. So based on this job description for a title role at company, create a resume for my past X years. So you can put 5 years, 10 years with 3 to 5 bullet points and the 10 most important keywords from the job description. Now, here we're going to change the title to project manager. Someone said to me before this session that, oh, Steve, you'll be giving away all your secrets. And I said, look, it's more important for me that people learn than for me to, not contribute to that process, because I believe people would learn regardless. So why not just be part of the process, right? And also, I've always believed in the principle of it's better to teach people how to fish than to go give them fish. So that's what this is all about. Okay, so let's go back to the project manager. Marina, that's the name of the company. I'm just going to get rid of company and replace it with Marina. Write resume for my past, and let's just say 10 years experience, parole, my past titles, and let's say past titles will be senior project manager. That's the first one. And we'll say at Meta Technologies, and then project manager at Amazon, and then finally project coordinator at Twitter. So it says here, no need to include an objective statement, but it's okay. I'll get rid of this so we can include an objective statement. Either way is fine. There we go. Now, the other part that we need to consider is we need to include the job description. Because if you don't include the job description, it probably won't know what to or how to tailor your resume. Not that it won't do something, it will do something, but it won't be the same. So this is where the quality of your input determines the quality of your output. So you copy and paste the responsibilities, the job responsibilities here. And then all you have to do at this point is say abracadabra. No, just click on enter. Boom. And then it happens. So name, You can just put whatever your name there. Someone is asking, how did we get the prompt? So this is a prompt that we created. Some we leveraged what other people had, but these are unique prompts that are related to what we're doing today. So there you go. You put your name, you put your contact information, professional experience, senior project manager, you have your description. Project manager, you have your description. Twitter, you have your description. Education, you can pop this in. Skills, you can, there you go. And then what you have now is a starting point. All what you have now is a starting point. This is not your final resume, no, but you have a starting point that you can build on, right? And when you build on this, you don't have to generate all this from scratch. If you also want, you can even ask it to, refine this in some way. For example, if you're not satisfied with the responsibilities, you can say, can you refine the responsibilities to align with the role of an intermediate PM? You can do this, but don't forget, this is based on the job description that we've provided, right? So your key, this is a senior project manager role, and then it describes the major responsibilities. So based on this, ChatGPT have created this set of responsibilities. You can decide to add some items to it. You can decide to take some items from it. It's all fine. It's okay. But then you need to take this from this space and put it in a Word document and refine it. You may even just want something as simple as just to edit the responsibilities. Just the responsibilities. You can say, okay, generate responsibilities for this PM role at this company working on this project, and it will do it for you. Now you have your starting point. So like I said, what used to take me a whole day, like 8, 9, 10 hours of work, this has helped me reduce that to an hour and a half.